Hi everyone. It's about 3 hours later now, and I'm in a new place. I'll tell you exactly where I am. I am at the UMUC Quantico facility. I have to teach a class here in about 3 hours and decided to come a little bit early. And the truth is I forgot my tripod, okay? So let me sort of recapitulate where we were. What I'm doing is explaining the philosophical importance of the first meditation. I started with an analysis and a commentary of the paragraph, the first paragraph. Then we went to perception, and then we went to math, and then now we're working on basically the nature of life, that is to say, God and the relationship of man to God and God to man. The key thing to understand here is that what Descartes is insinuating, and it's a really, really radical idea, because the truth is most of us assume that we can get by our daily activities, and by daily activities I mean everything, without any philosophical reflection. Descartes is saying exactly the opposite. He's saying without real philosophical reception, and we did the first three steps earlier in the day, and we're at the most serious one now, because what Descartes is saying is that until I understand the nature of my mind as it relates to God and his basic purpose for human existence, I can't know anything. So what Descartes is saying is that basically we can pretend that we understand, that we can pretend that we're certain, we can pretend that we are sure in our way of acting and believing without philosophical reflection. But in fact, in matter of fact, Descartes is saying this is radically impossible. If my structure is such that I cannot possibly understand the world around me and all its richness and all its complexity, I can't really understand anything. And thus, I basically have to live a pretend life, and thus I'm open to continuous errors and misunderstandings. And the philosophers have a way of saying this. What Descartes is insisting on our thinking about is the relationship between being and thought. When Descartes says being, he means, hi, I'm doing a little lecture. My colleague is here, so I'll just really quickly finish. This makes it more real. So everyone, what Descartes is saying is that until I'm willing to reflect on the nature of God, the nature of human purpose, I can't really know anything, and my whole life is based on anxiety and uncertainty. Thus, he's arguing for the importance of philosophy. So I'm going to stop here, and I'll talk to everyone later. Thank you.